Oh my god, no, it's going all the way down, bro. Oh my god, we just need a little bounce back. The 360k to buy that brand new trap house, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, the buyers. I know you guys got it, man. Okay, fuck it, bro. I think I'm just gonna remove liquidity. Alright, what you do, go straight back to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, move liquidity. Come on, bro, hurry up. And then boom, we just made. You're not gonna believe what's inside this phantom wallet. I've made over $996,000, almost $1 million in just 1 month launching meme coins on this secret website on the Solana blockchain. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Alright, let's get straight to it, man. You guys want to make money, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can do it. Most of you guys are trading these meme coins. Now I keep telling you guys, stop trading these meme coins. There's no way you're actually gonna make it with this. Just a few, and these few are fucking lucky, and they have insider information that you do not. Now, alright, so let's click on this token, right? What I'm about to show you guys is exactly their model, exactly how they are actually making it. So we're gonna create the coin, wait for buyers, and then just dump it all the fuck down, bro. It's as simple as that. We, the developers, right? The developers, the traders. The developers are assured a win at the end of the day. The traders are not. These markets are very volatile, and every single coin, with no exception, ends at 0. All right. And when I was trading these coins, man, I was not fulfilled. I kept losing my money, all my wages, everything was gone. And I wish I had someone like me, Mr. Munyon, to show me how to actually print hella. So if you go over to coinlabs.fun, this website will let you guys create your own meme coins. So you just put the token name, blah, 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 image, and then copy trending coins. That is another feature I'm going to talk about later in the video. And the good thing with this strategy is that it's fully repeatable, and all you need to do, create a new coin, and you can make every single coin that you can possibly imagine until you are wealthy. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now, the reason why you guys will want to create your coins on coinlabs.fun is for a couple of reasons. First, there is no coding required, so you guys do not have to know how to code. Second of all, your coins are instantly launched on the Raydium DEX. Now, what is the Raydium DEX? It is basically when your coin hits the graduated category. So when you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, your token will instantly be put here, and you will get way more buys. Here it is more visible to everybody which coin is being created. Now, if you were to create your coin Pump.Fun, this is a reason why you shouldn't, and it's basically every single coin that is created on Pump.Fun needs to go through a bonding curve when your coin hits like 90,000 in market cap, and that takes a shit ton of time. It takes like 30 minutes to bring your liquidity pool from Pump.Fun to Raydium. It's just a big waste of time, and yeah guys, you will not get as many buys as you would on the Raydium DEX. So this is why CoinLabs is the way to go. And my favorite way of making thousands of dollars is by going on the copy trending coins tab. Now what this tab does on this website is go through thousands of coins, random ass coins right here on Pump.Fun, on Photon, all the trading platforms. And what it does, it finds through proven concept coins that will generate you thousands of dollars. Now my 3 golden rules for it, and listen up. First one is every time refresh the list and find a coin that has a market cap of over $30,000. Now that is the first rule. The second one is to have a last spot in under 15 seconds. Now this assures that your coin is still relevant and a lot of people are interacting with it, which is just a good sign for you. And my third rule is to find a coin that has a narrative that is important, that is up to date, that is circling on the news, all that good stuff. I'm telling you guys, this will make it. Now all of these coins can be created in one single click. All you have to do is click create coin, add your wallet to it, add some liquidity, and just wait for the fucking buyers, because I'm telling you guys, it will go fast. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. All right, so we're gonna create a coin right now. We're gonna refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. Just gonna write my password now. Don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm. All right, now the website is currently creating my token, so all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%. And then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now, how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove the liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.